Hello, friend. Do you feel nervous when you need to speak in English? Do you stop because you don't know what to say first? Don't worry. Today, you will learn something very simple and very useful. Today, you will learn how to introduce yourself in English in an easy way. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Speak slowly, listen carefully, repeat with me. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident. Let's start. First, when you meet someone, you can smile and say hello. You can say hello, or you can say hi. Both are correct and friendly. After that, you can say your name. You can say, my name is Ali, or I am Sarah. This is the first step. Name is always first because people want to know who you are. Now let's practice. Say, hello, my name is... Good. Say it again. Hello, my name is... Next, you can talk about where you are from. This tells people about your country or city. You can say, I am from Bangladesh, or I am from Dhaka, or I live in Chattogram. This is very simple and very common. Let's practice together. Hello, my name is... I am from... Great. Repeat one more time. After that, you can talk about your job or what you do. If you are a student, you can say, I am a student. If you work, you can say, I am a teacher. I am a shop assistant. I am an office worker. If you don't work, you can say, I am learning English. That is also a great answer. Practice with me. Hello, my name is... I am from... I am a... Now, let's add your age. You can say, I am 18 years old, or I am 20 years old. This is optional, but it is good for practice. Repeat, I am years old. Next, you can talk about your hobbies. Hobbies are things you like to do. For example, I like reading. I like playing football. I like watching movies. I like listening to music. Hobbies make your introduction more interesting. They help people know you better. Practice. I like... Now let's make a longer introduction. Listen first. Hello, my name is Rahim. I am from Bangladesh. I am a student. I am 18 years old. I like playing football and watching movies. This is a perfect, simple introduction. Now, repeat with me slowly. Hello, my name is... I am from... I am a... I am years old. I like... Very good. Now, let's learn another way to introduce yourself in a more natural way. You can say, nice to meet you. This is a polite and friendly sentence. Example, hello, my name is Lena. Nice to meet you. Repeat, nice to meet you. You can also ask the other person a question. For example, what is your name? Or, where are you from? This makes the conversation continue. Now imagine you meet a new friend at school. You can say, hi, I am Arif. I am a student. I am from Dhaka. Nice to meet you. Simple, clear, and friendly. Remember, when you introduce yourself, speak slowly, smile, use short sentences. You don't need difficult words. Simple English is good English. Now let's practice one more full introduction together. Hello, my name is... I am from...
I live in. I am a. I am years old. I like. Nice to meet you. Great job! If you practice this every day, speaking English will become easier. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start speaking. Many learners stay silent because they are afraid of mistakes, but mistakes are part of learning. Every time you speak, you improve. So, practice this introduction in front of a mirror. Practice with a friend. Practice with this video. The more you repeat, the more natural it will feel. Now think about your real introduction, your real name, your real city, your real hobbies. Say it out loud now. Good, you are learning. English is not difficult when you learn step by step. Today you learned how to say your name, your country, your job, your age, your hobbies. This is enough to start many conversations. And remember, communication is more important than perfect grammar. If people understand you, you are doing great. Keep practicing every day. Even 5 minutes helps a lot. You are building a new skill, and skills grow with repetition. Take a deep breath. Speak slowly. Believe in yourself. You can introduce yourself in English, and you can do it confidently. If this lesson helped you, practice your introduction right now in the comments. Write your name, your country, and what you do. And if you want to speak English more confidently, subscribe to this channel and practice with the next lesson. Your English journey starts with one simple step: speaking. I would like to finish here today. See you again some other day.